Hi, I'm Hillary from Helping of Happiness. Today we are going to show you how to make our berry cream cheese spread. We love it on bagels, we love it with fruit that you can dip your fruit and eat it, or pretzels or crackers. It's really fun to serve at parties, especially alongside our Heath Apple Dip. I'll link up that dip in the little description there so that you can get that recipe as well. So here's how we do it. Well, I hope that you enjoy this dip. Tell me what you're going to be dipping in it and where you're going to be bringing it in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss another video.